Hello, this is the clock guy. I have another clock I want to show you. This is 1920 Ansonia timbre style clock. I actually have a publication from 1920. It says this clock is called the Ansonia No. 48 cabinet in mahogany dull rub, 8-day movement, silver dial, round polished movement. Gong hour and half hour. Now the interesting thing about this is in 1920 the average clock was around $3 or $4. And if you will look at this clock sold for $64.80. Now what you have to wonder is what would make this $60 more than the average clock? All I can say, it is a gorgeous clock. It is an Ansonia. It is a beautiful mahogany. Very nice details. I will turn it around and we'll look at the back. This is a very well made clock. It's nicely detailed. Here's the inside. You can see the Ansonia logo in there. Patented New York. That's the half-hour strike. It's got thick beveled glass in the front. There's the fast and slow adjustment arbor, the two winding arbors. So this is the clock guy saying thanks for watching.